Hey, I'm Ryan Leveille. I'm the Global Design Manager for the Innovation Lab at GE Transportation.
I'm Richard Baker. I'm the Global Design Director of User Experience for GE Transportation.
Uh, eh, Tell us a little bit about the innovation lab that you guys built over at Transportation.
For me, it's about three things. It's three pillars. It's about the physical space so that we can co-create the future with our customers. It's about a cross-functional team that work together to help co-create that future. And it's about having a process that's in place to help reimagine that future with our customers.
Tell us about the challenges about having to adopt or advocate for design processes.
So it's really about teaching a big old company how to reimagine the way it approaches projects.
Mm-hmm.
So 100-year-old company has a lot of antiquated or strong processes in place. So the whole program was around kind of correcting that and teaching how to incorporate design thinking, incorporating user-centered design methodologies in the whole process.
Do you have any stories of how that was a success or failure? Maybe an example of what happened?
Yeah, I mean, so we have a couple of successes, right? So one of our biggest successes is that customers are now starting to request these services, and they say, hey, we want to start a new project with you, but only if we can run it through the innovation lab. So that's really positive. And we have some of our, internally we have teams that are bringing us in early on before things get started, just to say, hey, let's make sure that we're doing this right. Let's make sure that we're thinking about this right way.
Through this new innovation lab, we've had several tangible successes. We've had 3 new products that have been developed for the transportation industry, and it's going to help revolutionize that industry.
If you had any advice for other designers who are trying to do a similar thing, what is the one piece of advice you would give them?
Perseverance. It takes a lot of time and a lot of energy. We spent 18 months just getting this lab stood up, and we've covered a lot of ground with 1,300% ROI, but at 18 months felt like years. And it takes a lot. It's a lot of challenges, a lot of hits, but there's a lot of wins too. So you just got to be patient and then keep driving it. And there's a little bit of stubbornness involved, right? You can't take no and just keep driving forward.
Anything notable about the physical space or the process that is your favorite thing about what you guys have accomplished?
For me, it's about having an open, collaborative environment. The designers come in there. You have, transportation folks, everyone from the C-suite to the actual folks driving the train to the folks scheduling trains. They're all coming together in this collaborative space, and they're having fun.
Yeah.
Right. You take them out of their day in and day out. You get back to the basics. You come in there, and it's a safe environment where everybody can just kind of play together, have fun together, and reimagine what the future could be.
Did you see any favorite projects so far that you hope will win other than yours? Who are you most excited to see or have seen at the UX Awards?
So for me, I saw an app called Seedly, or a product called Seedly, and it's a student out of SCAD. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, so that resonated with me. But more importantly, it's seeing young designers that are passionate about what they're working on, that are coming to these conferences, that are coming to these types of UX awards, that are being recognized for the work they're doing, that has an impact on the globe. That was really great.
Yeah, and for me, I've seen a trend overall. All these projects have meaning behind them. It's not a new button or a new, way to request a car. They have value and an impact across the globe. And I think that really resonates because we're doing work that matters.